Chant and be happy. Is it a cliche? Is it just a proverb like Prabhupada spoke? No, it's a reality. Chant and be happy. Chant with that proper awareness. What does it mean when you chant? What do you become aware of? I don't need anything else. I have the holy name. That's all. I don't need anything else. So the craving for something automatically disappears. People want to be happy by getting things, desiring things. Like that's also another consideration. Happiness, what's the definition of happiness? I mean, there are many definitions. One of the ways to understand happiness is fulfillment of desire. We desire, when the desire is fulfilled, we are happy. But when you don't have any desire, when you realize you have everything, there is nothing more to get, then what happens? Automatically you become happy. And chanting actually reminds you about your relationship with Krishna. It reminds you that all you need is Krishna. And Krishna is everything that you need. So that is the first consideration. Chant the holy name. Srila Prabhupada did not kind of concoct this process. Prabhupada actually repeated what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave. Representing Srila Prabhupada, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Prabhupada just gave this process. Chant. So the first consideration is chant. But how to chant? Offenselessly. Don't chant offensively. That's why during the initiation we take a vow. We are not going to commit these 10 offenses. That is called pure chanting. Chanting with offenses is impure chanting. So don't chant offensively. Get rid of these offenses. And chant attentively. One of the most important instructions that is also, although not included in 10 offenses, but it is there. What do you say after 10 offenses? It's also an offense to be inattentive while chanting. That's because it's taken for granted. Taken for granted that, when you are chanting, be serious. Chant attentively. And what is attentive chanting? Attentive chanting is hearing while chanting. It's a sound vibration. How do you receive sound vibration? Do you receive sound vibration with your hands? Catch it? Do you receive the sound vibration by any other means but hearing? Therefore, hearing is very, very important.